What is going on, guys? This is Visor here, and welcome to my kitchen. Just a quick disclaimer though. If you're watching this video and not sure how to cook, please consult basic kitchen safety first. Look up online multiple tutorials on safety in the kitchen. And without any further ado, let's begin. So I'm cooking some of these right here with these spices. So I have, excuse my thumb, some steakhouse seasoning, ground thyme, parsley, which I'll add at the very end, garlic powder, top of that almost came off, some salt, but not too much, remember, and I gotta cover up more branding real quick, and black pepper. Okay, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go grab a pan real quick. Okay, so I got my pan and I got it covered in foil. Let's go ahead and grab those steaks real quick. So I'm gonna hold them like this because I don't know how stable they are. Oh shit, sorry. And we're just gonna lay them down like that. We're gonna repeat the process for the second one. Sorry about the blood. I'm gonna have to edit that out. Okay. Now to take the bowl of blood, which this time I'll leave out of the shot. Keep the camera on here while I move this to the side. Alright. If you're not that squeamish and are used to animal blood and used to it when you're cooking, hold on. Good for you. If not, then sorry about that. That was unavoidable when I'm showing you the steak. Right. First, what I'm going to do, I know a lot of you probably have different ways of cooking this. I'm going to take my pepper first, my salt first, and just lightly cover parts of these steaks. Then I'm going to take some pepper. Oh God. This time I might just want to rub it in because I screwed up a little bit. Trying to remove some of the excess. It's always the initial shake that the most of it comes out. Trying to spread that a little bit. Next, I'm going to take my seasoning. Oh, shit. I'm saying shit a lot because I don't want anything screwed up here. It's not even open. Give me a second, guys. The recording mishap. Now, back to what I was saying. I already got the pepper and the salt on here. I'm going to take some steak seasoning. Just lightly sprinkle it all over these. A little bit like that, I guess. Then I'm going to take some of my ground thyme. Oops, shite. This thyme is a fine powder. I guess I can't really spread that, can I? Then grab some of my garlic powder. One more second. I know the steaks kind of look terrible, but I'm just going to lightly dab some garlic on these. for a little extra flavoring. Wasn't trying to get too much there, but I ended up doing that anyway. Oh, and before I do anything else, let's move that steak seasoning. Set our oven to 375 for a quicker cook. Then add some parsley. That's not open. Give me a minute. Now to add our parsley. So I'm just gonna stuff don't want to come out. Change of plan. Taking pinches of it. And there we go. I know it kind of looks like vomit, but okay. So now I'm going to open the oven and stick these inside. Sorry for that noise. And then close the oven door. And then give me a moment to set everything else up for the vegetables. Okay, guys, well, I've got the meat in the oven, corn on the stove with some butter. Because I'm one of the guys that likes my butter with a lot of my stuff. I decided that I'm not going to do mashed potatoes because I didn't want this video to be too long. I gotta sit down, guys. So the meat's cooking. Corn's on the stove, as you can see. And I'm only doing this for my dinner because I haven't eaten yet. So this is going to be the end of today's video. If you guys want to see more cooking content, hit like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.